In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the secret to making a campfire. We can do it with one match and without swinging an axe. Stay tuned. As with so many things in life, the secret to success is starting with preparation. Same with a campfire. If you'd like to be good at making a campfire, it all starts before you ever light that match. The trick is in the preparation, and we're going to do it all today without swinging an axe. Most people buy their wood in a bundle that looks like this, 6-8 pieces of wood. They've been split from the original log, wrapped in plastic. You pick it up for about $6. With this method I'm going to be showing you today, we're going to be taking a bundle of wood and we're going to be creating the kind of fire that will not only not smoke as much, but you'll have quicker coals to make your s'mores and tinfoil dinners. You'll just have an overall better fire with one match. Here we go. The tools we're going to use for this process today are just a sledgehammer, we're going to use a wedge, we're going to use a hatchet, and we're going to use our camp knife. Open our wood. This technique saves a couple that are a little bit bigger. All you need is probably two, just maybe 3 inches by 3 inches. We'll set those to the side. First thing we're going to do is we're going to be creating some pieces of wood that are probably 2 inches by 3 inches. It's kind of a little bit larger, maybe half the size of what we've got down here. So what I'd like to do is show you, with any piece of wood, there's going to be some natural cracks in the wood. We want to select where those are. Identified one of those cracks. I'm going to set my wedge in that crack and I'm going to set the wedge. So what we're going to do then is just give it a good couple of hits. There's the what I'm looking for. The next thing we're going after is a couple that are about 2 by 2 or 1 by 2. So now I'm going to be using a sledgehammer and a hatchet. I'm not going to swing the hatchet either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the hatchet here and put it on the back of the piece of wood. Let's try that again. So what we've got is we've got some decent sized ones. Some of these I actually didn't do anything with, but two of these I did. I cut them down there about 2 inches, 2.5 inches, or 3 inches by 3 inches. Then we come over here and we've got some 2 by 3 or 1 by 2. These down here are about a 1 by 1 piece of wood. Now I've saved one piece of wood and that one is left over. This could be the most important piece that I'm going to work with in our preparation for making a fire. So now I'm looking for about a 1/2 inch. So we'll make a couple. This is exactly what I want, is little ones like this. That's gold. So the last step is this is the stuff that makes or break any good fire maker. We're going to be using our camp knife and our sledgehammer. Leaves a bunch that look about like this, so we'll just break those. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but that edge, do you see how there's all those little pointy ones? That's really kind of important. So the key to being successful or not successful is what I'm holding in my hand. We've split that log all the way down to this, and this is what we're going to be using to get it started. Take 1 or 2 and we're just going to take our knife and we're just going to on the corners. We're just going to get a couple more of those little curlies that you see. That'll be one of our starting pieces right there. This is the way you buy the bundle at the store. Then after doing it, you come down and you cut the bigger logs that we're going to do. We're going to break that into a couple even smaller ones. Then as we come through, you can see those 1x1s, and then it's the bread and butter down here, those little ones that are about a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, even smaller. It's that little garbage, those little sticks, that'll help make your fire successful. Hi, thanks for watching the video today. So I hope that I've been able to show you a couple of skills and some things that you can do, not only to have a safer camping experience, but make an easier camping experience. If you do the things that were in the video today, you'll be sure to be successful when you go to make that fire. So make sure you do all the regular things, hit the subscribe and the bell and the like and all that. And we'd love to see you on the next video. Stay tuned, because in an upcoming video, we're going to be doing how to make that campfire with one match every single time.